Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add descriptions of your YouTube channel on YTStudio. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the YTStudio. So when you will open the YTStudio, you can see profile on the top right corner. So click on profile. So after this, in front of profile you can see a pin icon, so click on it. So after this you can see here description option, so click on the pin. So after this write the descriptions. So here after writing, so click on save options. So you can see description is written. So guys, in this way you can add descriptions of your YouTube channel on YTStudio. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.